Now, editing your blog, and some of you that are paying attention are saying, hey, that wasn't there before. Yeah, well, that last video reminded me that this is kind of important. So, Stats Panel, you can go back to a mission you've already completed, and look, you can edit your answer. You can also go to your blog and look at something and edit your answer. You can go ahead and maybe add more content and then submit that. So your answer's now changed. But look at this. It's a wall of text. I'll switch out of the view by cards. It's this big hunk of text. Now, on a printed page, we can handle long paragraphs. On the internet, it's very difficult to read. Now, you're just looking at your blog. I've got 3 different classes. I've got over 100 students. Think about that. Multiply that out. How many of these I'm reading? Do me a favor. Edit that wall of text. Find paragraph breaks and say, I'm going to cut Scotchko some slack. Maybe this is a short paragraph, and that way, when I submit this, he's going to have an easier time to read it. See how that makes sense? You're used to turning in work in a class and being done with it, and you move on. This blog lives on. When I do grades, I look at every single student's blog. I look at what you've written, at how you've written it, how much care you've taken. And when there's images, because there will be images, and we're getting to that, do they open up? And are they correctly sized? Or are these little dinky things right here? These things matter. Presentation matters. This is a digital arts class. It's all about presentation, how things look. You understand? So, treat your blog like a living document that you're going to edit as you move on, continually improve upon, proofread, and, excuse me, did you notice that I'm not texting you? I'm capitalizing the first word of a sentence. I'm using punctuation. Look, there's a period at the end. There's not a space before a comma. Who does that? Stop that. And, there's not misspellings. I want you guys to take time. If you have submitted text, if you've written in lowercase, all lowercase, and you have these multiple sentences with no punctuation, because that's how you text, go back and change it. Edit it. I need you to understand that that demonstrates you're not paying attention. And it's there, not only for me to see, but for everyone to see. And so long as you used a display name rather than your real name, no one knows it's you. So again, another reason to have done that correctly. Wait, I don't remember where that was. It's in your profile. It's right there. Got it? All right.